Hey everyone, today we are going to show you how to check message requests on Snapchat without being friends. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. Open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile at the top left. First, let's check your account settings. Tap on the gear icon at the top right. Now, scroll down to Privacy Controls and tap on Contact Me. Here, you can see who can contact you directly with snaps or chats. Switch this to Friends and Contacts if you want only people in your contacts list to send you message requests. Once you've done that, go back and tap on My Friends. Here, you'll see all your current friends who can send you messages. To add new friends, tap on Add Friends. If you have pending friend requests, they'll appear at the top, allowing you to accept them. Unfortunately, Snapchat has limitations on seeing message requests before accepting them. If the sender is in your contacts list, you may see the request. Otherwise, you'll need to accept the request first. After accepting, you can access the message by tapping on the chat icon. Remember, you can read messages without the sender knowing by swiping right to left. This marks the message as unread permanently. I hope this guide was helpful.